Usually documents have a white background, don't they? And that isn't really the easiest background colour to have when you're trying to read text. In TextAid, you can customise the way a document looks so it's much easier for you to read. And this is called text mode. So if you've opened a document, you'll notice at the top you've got layout mode. That's how it looks when you receive the document, and text mode. So I'll click on text mode and watch what it does. It's now kept exactly the same words, but it's changed the background colour, changed the font size and style, and the spacing as well, to make it easier for you to read yourself. To change all of this is on the bottom left, and it's called text. It's the text settings. So you've got a choice of 5 colours for the text colour, and you've also got a choice of 5 background colours. So if you like dark mode, you could maybe choose a background that's black. And also, let's just change that to yellow and blue. And then text size, so you can choose from very small to fairly large. Font style, including Open Dyslexic, if that's useful. And also changing the spacing to make it more easier for you to read. I'm going to change it to that style. Okay, now I click close, and whenever I want a document to be using these settings, I just click on text mode and it's there for me to make it easier. There are other ways that you can have a document made a bit easier for you to read. You can go into layout mode and zoom in just to make everything a bit bigger for you to read. Or you can use the tools. The tools button has a page mask and a reading ruler. So the page mask, you can change the size of the window, and then it follows your mouse, so you can make sure you don't miss lines out and also don't repeat a line as you are reading. There's a similar tool with the reading ruler, so you can change the size of it and it just helps you follow the text as you're reading. So change the document to text mode to make it easier, zoom in to a document, and also use the page mask and reading ruler.